Welcome to Birds Tackle, the tackle and gun megastore. Birds is one of the largest established fishing tackle businesses in the East Anglia region. Because the store is run by anglers for anglers, we know what you require. Our 5,000 square foot shop has the lot, from rods, poles, reels, bait for coarse carp, pike and sea, plus a huge range of terminal tackle, tackle boxes, luggage, plus everything else that you could possibly need. We have all the big brands and always maintain good stocks. We don't just cover angling, we can help with air guns, pistols and shooting accessories, clothing, footwear, coal, gas and salt. Need some advice? Our staff are very knowledgeable and are happy to assist you with all your needs. Whether you are new to angling or have been casting the rod for years, Birds Tackle is just the place for you. Give us a call on 01473 830 683 or find us online at www.birdstackle.com.